As you probably know, I create a script that was published on Jumpstart Drops website. And yes, this is my first video in English. I wrote a Terraform script that set up a sandbox of hybrid environment. The goal is very simple: help a different user understand how fully private setup works using Azure Arc and the private link. But I want to take it one step further, not just private connectivity, but also private log ingestion. I integrate AMPLS. But what is AMPLS? It's very simple, let me explain. Azure Monitor Private Link Scope. It allows to use send a log privately over private link. For example, when you use a DCR, data collection rule, to connect an Azure Arc resources, you have an extension with the name AMA, Azure Monitor Agent, is installed, but the different log go through public endpoint. That's where AMPLS come in. It makes the entire logging path private. So yeah, I think you know where I'm going with this. I built the script, I deployed this entire setup, a fully private, secure logging environment with Azure Arc, AMPLS, and the private link. And I'm going to walk through it right now. Alright, let's go to the Jumpstart Drops page. That's where you will find my new script. It's all ready to use. Everything is explained step by step. First is very important. Create a service principal. This is important for authentication. Then run the PowerShell script. Her name is monitor setup post.ps1. Hit setup EMPLS, the network. After that, you can run the Terraform script. Once it's done, start the VM and onboard it to Azure Arc. Then create the DCR manually. Yes, this part isn't automated yet. Don't forget to assign the DCE, data collection endpoint, to keep everything private. For your information, this is just a first version of my script. I will improve it over time. Finally, run the last script, monitor setup pre.ps1. It finishes the setup and the configuration. After a few minutes, check the event log from Log Analytics Workspace. And boom, it works. You have an infrastructure hybrid totally private. I hope you enjoyed this first video in English and I really hope it helped. Thanks for watching and see you soon on the channel.